the way he talked about the Indian Army per se, that what Indian Army stands today, and if need be, ever there for crossing the Yellow Sea, the India would not shy away from that.
26 July, a day that fills every Indian heart with pride and honor. And it marks our triumphant victory in the Kargil War of 1999. And this day marks 25 years since Indian Army soldiers took back all the Indian position in Kargil that had been held by the Pakistani army. And this day has been celebrated all over India as Kargil Vijay Divas. Yes, it's a day to honor the heroes of the Kargil War. Among the many brave soldiers who fought for our country, one name stands out, Captain Vikram Batra. So let's explore the story of this legendary hero and the lasting impact which he made. The Kargil War was an important event in Indian history. It happened in 1999 and was a time of a great bravery and sacrifice for Indian soldiers. Each year on July 26, the country remembers this day as Kargil Vijay Divas, which means Kargil Victory Day. The Kargil conflict took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir, which was a result of infiltration and incursion by Pakistani soldiers and Kashmiri militants into Indian-controlled territory of Kargil, which was a result of infiltration and incursion by Pakistani soldiers and Kashmiri militants into the Indian-controlled territory of Kargil. Among all the heroes of this conflict, Captain Vikram Batra was especially notable for his bravery and strong spirit. His infectious enthusiasm and unshakable courage made him a symbol of heroism during the tough war. Captain Vikram Batra was an Indian Army officer known for his bravery during the Kargil War in 1999. His courageous action and inspiring leadership made him a symbol of hope and patriotism for many people. His bravery spirit and his famous phrase, "Ye dil mange more," still inspired everyone, and these words became a powerful slogan for the war and are still remembered by everyone. And even though the slogan was originally used for a Pepsi ad, yes, "Ye dil mange more" first appeared as a tagline for a Pepsi commercial in 1998. And this ad featured a young actor, Shahid Kapoor, and included a fun dance sequence with the famous actor Shah Rukh Khan, Rani Mukherjee and Kajol from the movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And it became unforgettable and holds a special place in every Indian heart. Well, thanks to Captain Vikram Batra, he earned the name Sher Shah for his bravery during the Kargil War. Captain Vikram Batra was born into a middle-class family in Gugar village near Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He became a very famous hero of the Indian Army. A story of moving from a small village to becoming a Kargil War hero in one word of hard work, bravery and strong leadership. He first planned to join the Merchant Navy but at the last moment he decided to join the Indian Army instead. He was assigned to the 13th JAK Rifles, a famous army unit known for its brave soldiery and many battle achievements when the Kargil War started in May 1999, and his battalion was ordered to move to the Daras. Well, after leading several successful attacks, Captain Batra faced his biggest challenge when his company was given the task of capturing Point 5140 on Toloni. Despite the challenging conditions, Batra and his team climbed the hill and won the battle. His bravery, fighting skills and leadership earned him the country's highest award of bravery. Yes, the Paramveer Chakra on August 15, 1999. Since Captain Batra has passed away, his father J.L. Batra was invited to receive the award of his behalf. In a touching ceremony, J.L. Batra received the prestigious medal from the then President of India, late K.R. Narayanan. Well, Captain Vikram Batra's memory continues to honored by those who knew him and by a grateful nation. On this Kargil Vijay Divas, we remembered his bravery and his sacrifice and his famous words. Yes, "Ye Dil Mange Mo." May his story keeps inspiring future generations and remind us all of spirit and strength and bravery. Keep watching India.com and do follow for more such interesting updates.